Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's Create Tube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create tube chamfer in Tekla Structures. Just like this. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla Structures with US environment. Now we're going to create beam. So click on steel and select this beam and pick the first point and pick the second point to create beam like this. Now we're going to change this beam profile to pipe. So double click on this beam, click on here and select pipe profile. By default we have the pipe 6 STD standard pipe. Then click on modify. You will get like this. Now close this window and click on space. To get top view, use the shortcut Ctrl P to get the top view like this. Now I'm going to create one more beam. So click on beam and select the first point and second point to create pipe like this. Now we're going to create inclined pipe. So click on here and click on this option to activate this option, snap to any position, and click on here to inclined pipe like this. Now we're going to create one more pipe. For example, let's pick first point and second point to create pipe, and pick the first point and pick the second point to create outward direction pipe, inclined pipe like this. Right click on mouse interact. Now we're going to change the color of this pipe. Double click on this pipe. Now let's take class 2, click on modify and close it. Now let's take this pipe class 3, modify. Now let's take this pipe color, this one, then click on modify and close it. Okay, now we're going to create tube chamfer. So click on application of components and in search bar type tube chamfer. You need to type here tube chamfer, then you will get this component, tube chamfer component. Select this component and pick the main part as this one and pick the second part as this one to create the chamfer like this. Now we're going to create here also, pick the first part and second part to create like this. Similarly, you can create any part with this option component like this. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse redrawing and close this window. Use the shortcut Ctrl 2 for shaded view. You will get like this. You can see like this. Use the shortcut Ctrl P to get the 3D view. You can see you will get like this. Okay, you can edit this component also. Double click on this component symbol. You can change the angle if you want. You can enter the values here, and as you require, you can change the angle and the chamfer cutting from these options. And here also, you can use the welding options as you record. You can change here from these options. Okay, that's it. Click on modify, apply. Okay, that's it about how to create tube chamfer in Tekla Structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla Structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla Structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.